The Co-Norwegian-owned company Kaldvik is seeking permission to farm 10,000 tons of salmon in the narrow fjord of Seyðisfjörður, East Iceland, despite clear concerns about space, safety, legality, and that the residents have opposed it. A draft operating license was still released in December 2024.
Just before the elected government had taken over and just before Christmas.
Great timing.
Let's look at some key facts.
The Icelandic Coast Guard originally said a safety zone smaller than 200 meters was unacceptable.
But then the pens are on the land.
Yes, and it was later reduced to just 50 meters and measured from the edge of pens.
Okay, sounds like a special prize for you, my friend.
Yes, it is. And it is also a big risk in a very busy harbor.
A protected security zone surrounds the Faris 1 submarine cable, which provides digital connectivity for Iceland and the Faroe Islands. Kaldvik's farms cannot be placed in the fjords without their anchors extending into this zone.
Ah, yes. But wasn't there an attempt to change the law to allow exceptions so this problem would disappear?
True, but that one has not passed Parliament yet and needs to be followed closely.
The proposed sites overlap official avalanche hazard zones, but no Icelandic agency has procedures to assess environmental risk or mass escape of salmon, despite this being required by law.
If a slide hits the gates and the fjords fills with sea lice-infested escaped salmon, Kaldvik holds no liability. The environment, community and taxpayers pay the price. A bit unfair, right?
The Coast Guard has also warned of possible unexploded Second World War mines on the seafloor. This is still uninvestigated. Seems some of our government agencies have developed a taste for taking risks.
By law, fish farms cannot be placed within a defined distance of the river mouth. But as is clear, it's surely crossing over the zone.
The proposed farm sites overlap legally protected coastal property rights. Landowners have not been consulted and have no legal standing, not until after damage is done. They even attempted to seek their legal rights in 2023, but case was dismissed.
On top of it all, Icelandic law requires 150-meter no fishing zone around the fish farm site. Is it not clear to everyone that this is simply impossible?
Nailed it. This process isn't about whether fish farming fits in Seyðisfjörður. It's about whether the authorities are willing to bend laws and safety rules for a company with enormous financial interests at stake.
While going directly against the will of the public who do not want this. Open sea salmon farming does not fit in Seyðisfjörður.
Unless granted a political exception.